Looking for a career that lets you soar above the clouds? As more and more industries turn to unmanned aerial vehicles as a safer, effective, and more efficient alternative for a growing list of service solutions, the demand for qualified UAV pilots across North America has never been higher. By starting a UAV service-based business with DronesForce, you're put on the fast track to success. DronesForce provides entrepreneurs of all skill levels the essential components required to become a successful business owner in the rapidly expanding UAV service industry, including training and certification. Boasting a 99% student success rate, DronesForce is an industry leader in UAV certification. DronesForce exclusive FAA and Transport Canada compliant courses prepare new UAV pilots to support a wider range of client industries, including agriculture, cinematography, film, construction, real estate, survey, mapping, and many more. Business coaching. Learn from the best. The DronesForce Mentorship Program partners new business owners with existing industry professionals to help guide them through the pitfalls and roadblocks many inexperienced UAV business owners face on a daily basis. Through the DronesForce Mentorship Program, your business will succeed at an exponentially faster rate than your competitors. Marketing support. The most essential component to any business, marketing. DronesForce Marketing Division secures clients and work contracts in your market so you can focus on what matters most, delivering a 5-star UAV service to your clients. DronesForce Marketing Division utilizes a wide variety of marketing tools to ensure DronesForce is the leading UAV brand in your market. These tools include appointment setting, digital marketing, trade show campaigns, and more. Market Development Program. As the UAV industry grows, so should your business. Through the DronesForce Managerial Program, you'll learn how to properly scale your UAV operation through employee training and additional service add-ons designed to maximize your business's profitability and local market dominance. Looking for a career that lets you soar above the clouds? Join the force, DronesForce. For more information, visit www.dronesforce.com.